Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to do a quick review of this M18 FUEL 18 volt cordless hedge trimmer. First off, this trimmer comes with a nice plastic blade sheath that'll protect the blade when you're storing it or hauling it around. Before each use, you should give the knives a good coating of WD-40. It's a good idea to spray it down when you're done too. Here's how it sounds. I think it's surprisingly quiet for how good it works. This trimmer weighs 8.6 pounds. It'll cut branches up to 3/4 of an inch. The knives are really sharp on this right out of the box, and it'll cut 3,400 strokes per minute. One nice thing about this tool being battery powered is that you don't have to fight it when you're starting it. You just snap a battery in, spray a little oil on, and you're ready to go. It's fully compatible with the M18 system, so it'll work with any of those batteries. It's got an all metal gear case that'll make it durable and make it last a long time. It's got a blade that's 24 inches long and a blade tip guard on the end. This has got a 6 amp hour battery on it. I believe it comes with a 5 amp hour battery if you buy the kit. It lights up here to show you how much power you have left. It's got a 2-finger trigger and a push down style safety on both sides in case you want to use it in either hand. You push down on that with your thumb while you're pulling in the trigger. The trigger is not variable speed. You don't really need that. It's just on off. The handle in my right hand here is hard plastic and it goes all the way around so you can grip it at multiple angles. This has got the brushless motor, of course. And it's got a blade shield or hand guard or whatever you want to call it right here to protect your hand. So my biggest takeaways will be that the tool just seemed really quiet for what it does. There's no exhaust or gas fumes in your face like using a gas tool. And I really like the long reach with the 24-inch blade, especially for jobs like cutting these big grasses like I'm doing here. If I had to come up with a con, I guess it would just be if you were a commercial guy and had to use it all day, you might run out of charge with your batteries. But it says it'll run for 2 hours on one charge, so for a typical homeowner, this is going to get the job done easily. Personally, I love the thing and I think it's an awesome tool. So hopefully this video helped you out. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.